Hello everyone, my name is Mike Iman and I am 19 years old. I live in Hubay, Liloan, Cebu, but I was born in Mandawi City, Cebu. My father's name is Robert Libia and my mother's name is Roslyn Iman. I have two brothers, Marlo Iman and Angelo Iman. Ever since I was young, I've been fascinated by technology, especially how websites and applications work. This curiosity led me to explore web design and development, which eventually became my passion. Now, as a senior high school student, I dedicated a lot of time improving my skills in front-end programming. I love creating visually appealing and functional websites using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. What excites me the most about front-end development is the ability to turn ideas into reality, designing interfaces that are both aesthetic and user-friendly. I enjoy experimenting with different styles, layouts, and animations to make my websites more interactive. Currently, I am working on various web projects, including scholarship portal and fire station alert system, where I apply my skills to solve real-world problems. I believe that web development is more than just writing code. It's about creating meaningful experiences for users. My goal is to continuously improve my skills and stay updated with the latest trends in web designing and technology. Aside from coding, I also have a strong interest in business and entrepreneurship. I recently started a small homemade food business in my local area, where I sell snacks like Graham bar and other homemade treats. Yeah. Running this business has been a great learning experience. It has taught me time management, financial responsibility, and customer service. Balancing my studies, web development projects, and my food business isn't always easy, but I enjoy the challenge. There's something fulfilling about seeing people enjoy the food I make and knowing that my hard work is paying off. In the future, I want to expand both my skills and my business in web development. I aim to take on more challenging projects that push me to grow as a developer. I also want to explore UI UX design to improve my ability to create seamless user experiences. For my business, I hope to develop better strategies to reach more customers and eventually introduce new products, combining my passion for technology and entrepreneurship. I dream of creating a digital platform to promote small businesses like mine. I believe that success comes from hard work, dedication, and continuous learning. Whether in coding or business, I always strive to improve and challenge myself. I'm excited about what the future holds and look forward to new opportunities to learn, grow, and make a positive impact